Calling all the wandering scholars where dark academia life finds its perfect haven in the enchanting city of Nottingham. Introducing Derby Road NG1 student accommodation. Nestled within this city's embrace is a breathtaking property offering an array of meticulously refurbished studio apartments. Each room is huge and fitted with a double bed, a side table, a spacious wardrobe, and included Wi-Fi. Fall in love with the study area, not to mention the big bathroom all to yourself. The kitchens are equipped with a cooktop and a microwave. Say hello to zero laundry troubles with the on-site laundry services, and yes to your dream body at the communal gym. You can meet new people in the social space and ace your exam prep in the study hubs for extra motivation. With all-included utilities and amenities, life here could not be easier. Now for the people pleaser, the Nottingham Trent International College is just 8 minutes by walk, and the Nottingham Trent University is a mere 12-minute walk. You'll find many coffee shops, restaurants, and pubs around to hang out after hours. The Canning Circus bus stop is a quick walk away, connecting you to the whole city. Unwind on weekends with good old exploration. Some hot choices are the City of Caves and the lovely Nottingham Castle. Visit amberstudent.com for more details, and remember, you're just a click away from the life you deserve.